This is a simple video. You will write here according to your topic. I have written here in New York. You must give a thick font here. Arrange the text layer in the middle of the video from here. Then the effects will come. Search for track matte key and leave it in the video layer. And let's move on to effects control. Here we need to understand which layer has how many numbers in the timeline. Here is the text layer number 2 in the timeline, so we will bring it to number 2. Our effect has been created. Now we will create the motion of the text. All we have to do is create the motion. We will turn on the scale clock and increase the size of the text until the screen turns black, and we will not increase it. And from the place where we will start the motion, we will come and make the size of the scale 100. Our writing motion has been created. Let us know what you want to learn in the next video by commenting. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.